Another skyline glowing in the rear view. Don't know what's next, but the feeling is true. Leaving little pieces of my heart behind. A quiet excitement for what I'm gonna find. Stepping out into the gray, and Mommy Lynn's on her way. Chasing down a brand new day, and Mommy Lynn's on her way.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Today we're going to Everland here in South Korea. Pero before the fun starts, sasakay muna tayo ng bus going to Everland using T-Money. Nakapayong ako. And we're finally here, Everland. Grabe guys, sobrang ganda agad sa entrance pa lang. Picture perfect talaga. Website link in the description. As you can see, no, pagbaba nung cable car, may walkway dyan na parang zigzag. And then, lalabas kayo dito sa memorial shop. Olive chicken. Garden terrace. Parang may ride. Tapos ito, Chinese restaurant.
다른 손님분들과 함께 탑승 가능하오니 안전하고 잠시 올린 차를 기다려주세요. 또한 저희에게 설정 알려주세요. 아무도 안 계신다면
Ay, tapos na! Grabe, nag-ride kami. Ang sobrang basag. Pero wala namang line, so mabilis lang.
Wala nang gusto, magbabawalan ka.
Yay! Wala talagang tao ngayon. Walang line kasi Wednesday. Ayan, cable car. Tapos dito. Ayan. Ang taas natin, oh. Tapos ito, ang Chubibo. Bali, 1,250 per head kami. Tapos sa Agoda binili yung tickets online. Nagsuot tayo ngayon ng On Cloud Away 2 rubber shoes kasi ang forecast is a rainy day. Sa baba may KFC. Ay, pabaliktad! Oh my gosh.
thanks!
Ayan yung roller coaster. This 4D cinema is a must. Kaya lang iba yung picture sa labas dun sa napanood natin. Ito daw kami mag-i-eat. Kain muna guys!
Fish pizza. It's okay, I have my own order.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Here's the menu board. Overall, hindi naman tayo na-disappoint. Masarap yung food nila. I got the 3 flavored pizza, bacon, pepperoni, and cheese. Ang sarap. Staring at the wall. Oh.
Setting low, got that peaceful, easy glow. Thanks for sharing every mile. Hope it brought you all a smile. Now the colors start to fade for the memories we made. See you on the next adventure soon. On the next adventure soon.